Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss some ICD 10CM coding guidelines questions. Let's start with the first question. When is the placeholder X used in the ICD 10CM? Option A, it is used to stipulate that no further expansion is needed. Option B, it is used to stipulate that further expansion is needed for certain codes. Option C, it is used to define a particular code and indicates that no further expansion is needed. Option D, it is used to indicate a subdivision of a code with 8 characters. The right answer is option B, it is used to stipulate that further expansion is needed for certain codes. The X placeholder is used in certain codes to indicate future expansion. The X must be used where a placeholder exists to allow that code to be considered valid. Certain codes need further expansion and are incomplete without X placeholder. In some instances, ICD 10CM codes only go up to 7th character. Next question. When can other codes be used in the ICD 10CM? And the right answer is option B. Other and other specified codes are used when the medical record provides enough details, but specific code is not able to be identified because it does not exist. Remember, other codes should only be used when a code truly does not exist. If another code exists for that particular diagnosis or symptom, then that code should be utilized. The alphabetic index and tabular list in the ICD 10CM should both be utilized to identify proper codes or an absence of a code. Next question. What is combination code and when can it be used? Read the options. The right answer is option A. A combination code is a single code that is used to classify two diagnoses. It is used when the coder has reviewed the inclusion and exclusion criteria and when the code fully identifies the conditions listed in the medical record. Next question. What is the correct sequencing for severe sepsis in the ICD 10CM? Read the options. The right answer is option B. Severe sepsis is coded as secondary code and never as the primary code. This is the correct sequencing for severe sepsis. Next question. What are Z codes in the ICD 10CM? Read the options. The right answer is option B. Z codes are used to identify factors influencing health status and contact with health services and may be used as either primary or secondary codes. They are not procedure codes, so they must always have a corresponding procedure code listed to describe any procedure performed.